Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to find videos on the site and share them with your students. So let's get started. Once you have logged in, click Materials from the top banner and select Videos from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the Videos tab of the Media Gallery. You can view all of the available videos to the right, and you can filter the videos by section to the left. Clicking one of the sections will display the videos for that category on the right. Once you have picked a section, you can filter the results further by clicking one of the categories at the top. You can also use the search bar at the top to look for a specific video. Click one of the videos to take you to its landing page. Here is where you can play the video. To the right, you can find videos that are similar to the one you've chosen. And right below, you can find the level of the video and what lessons you can find it in. To share the video with your students, click the blue Add to Class button at the bottom, choose your class from the drop-down menu, and choose the location. Once you've chosen that, click the blue Save button. You can then view the video in your class by clicking View Class at the bottom and finding it in the column you saved it to. Clicking the video gives you more options, including posting to Google Classroom or leaving a note. You can also use our Scheduling tab to have the system automatically move the video from a column to another column on a certain date. For example, if the video is currently in the Teaching column and you don't want to worry about it next week, you can have the system automatically move it to the Taught column by picking a date and clicking the blue Save button at the bottom. That's it for this video on how to find videos on the site and how to share them with your students. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.